Hey guys, like I've announced before, we are going to try and make a teardown video of the LG K4. First things first, let's power it off. And take the back cover off. Nothing much to see here. Put the battery aside. And now we have to basically release the screen before we can take it out. The screen comes out to the front. And to be able to release it, we first need to remove these plastic covers from the back. Okay, that's one. And up here we've got the second one. Whoa. It's just so once we've got these plastic covers off, we can release these clips or connectors so that the screen can come off to the front. Okay. So once they are released, you need to pry the screen up from its silver frame. I have already done this, so the adhesive which is applied to the edge of the screen is slightly softer and less adhesive on my phone here, but when you do it for the first time, be really careful and patient so you don't damage or crack the screen itself. So go around patiently, try to push the screen a bit upwards. You should be able to do it quite easily. But nevertheless, as always, be really careful. Okay, it's starting to separate. Be careful not to tear these ribbons. And you are now able to separate these two parts. As you can see, this is the screen with its connectors, but basically nothing too interesting here. We'll just put it aside. And now we've got our plastic frame and the motherboard or the main board still connected to it. We'll try to pry it up. There are a couple of clips holding the main board in place. And now you should be able to wiggle it about and pull it out. So that's the main board, and here we've got the rest of the plastic frame. On it we've still got the vibrating module, the main speaker, camera lens, power and volume rocker buttons. Let's leave it at that, if you don't mind. And here we've got the main board. On the bottom you can see the micro USB connector and the 3.5mm headphone socket. Here you can see we can unclip the forward facing camera. Whoa. Let's put it aside. Here we've also got the main camera, which unclips from this side. Sorry, but it's also stuck to the back. Let's just use a little pulling force to get it unstuck. So this is our main camera. This is the connector for the micro SD and SIM slot. You can pry it from below and get it unstuck from the metal cover on the main board. As far as these connectors are concerned, they are both soldered onto the main board, so there is no quick and easy way to replace them. You will need a fine tip soldering iron, and basically this is how to disassemble the LG K4. So let's just try and put it back together. The main camera clips into place like this. Okay, the front camera also clips back into place, and now we can offer the whole main board back into the plastic frame. So let's reverse the procedure. Everything seems to be in order. When you're reassembling the screen and this plastic frame, you should offer these cables through the holes on the back. Let's just wait, and you should start aligning the screen from the bottom. When it sits nicely, you can apply pressure all around the screen to make sure it fits perfectly into the frame. And now it's time to reconnect these cables. This can be a bit tricky. It's now snapped back into place. This has also snapped back into place. And now we can cover them once again. And once we put in the battery and the back cover, our phone is fully reassembled. And let's try to wipe the screen and let's try to start it up again. So as you can see, everything seems to be working and in perfect order once again. So guys, as always, thank you for watching and goodbye.